guys, just wanted to welcome you back for another video, and today is August 1st, which means it's release day for Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures, and this is the last, but certainly not least, installment for the upcoming QT Treasures. And for this month, the selection was Douglas the Donkey and Fluffy the Unicorn. Douglas was chosen by Angie B. She has a YouTube channel on here. She hasn't posted in a while, I don't think, but she's got some really good videos on there. But her channel is listed down in the description box. And then Susan, that I did the sneak peek card with her choices. She is on Instagram and Facebook. She is on the Facebook group. So in any case, today's going to be featuring Douglas the Donkey, since I haven't worked with his papers yet. So that's why he's on top, but I will show you a quick recap of Fluffy's papers and stuff. So in any case, like I said, today is featuring Douglas. I'll tip, after this part, I'll tip the rest of this into music and make a quick card showcasing showcasing this part of the release. But the full collection for QT Treasures will be out on September 1st. And before I get into the papers and stuff, just a quick note, and I believe it's the same for all the paper collections that have come out so far. These are available in a print option as well as a digital format. So for the print, I believe you get 4 of each of the papers that come in the collection. So all of Douglas's papers would be one set, and then Fluffy the Unicorn would be a separate set. But you get 4 in each, and then you get 1 cut apart sheet included in the print option. And then there's always ephemera packs that are pre-cut for you that are available in each option. I can't remember if there's a pack of the 2 of them, but in any case, all the options that you need are on Dawn's website, and if you haven't checked it out, it is www.shinysilvertreasures.com, and everything you need to know will be listed in there. So I always try to refer you guys to that, because that's going to be your best source of information if I got something wrong, or if I don't remember all the information or whatever's going on. I don't know of any current promos at the moment, but as always, if that changes, I will update the description and let you know. There may be some upcoming, but again, like I said, as I get the information, I will always come back in and update on the description and keep that updated, so to speak. So in any case, like I said, Angie chose Douglas the Donkey, and her accessory was a tote bag. And the backgrounds are the same, but Dawn mixed it up. One is a more grunge vibe, and then the other is the bright colors with the orange and the purple being like the prominent colors in there. And that was for Angie. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure I've got all the information. So if I'm repetitive in what I'm saying, it's because I'm trying to get my brain functioning. So in any case, so that's Douglas the Donkey, and then it was Fluffy the Unicorn. And as you saw in the sneak peek preview, I had made a quick card using Fluffy. I used this background, but this is the other one that is available with the collection. So you can use them, of course, independently like anything, but they do coordinate together. And then she coordinated the glitter bottle to match the colors in Fluffy the Unicorn, but super, super cute. But this is how they will look if you get the print option. Also, I want to remember to say that I just went through all my notes and everything to remind me. So again, for August, the last but not least chapter in the upcoming QT Treasures collection, you got Fluffy the Unicorn and Douglas the Donkey. And again, today's project will be featuring Douglas the Donkey, since I already used Fluffy to introduce her through a quick card on the sneak peek. So, or it could be a boy, I guess. Fluffy is sort of could be either or. All right, so that is, I believe, all the information that I know as of now. But like I said, you can always check the description if anything got added into it. I'll put it in there if there's anything that changes. But this is now available. And I think the other thing I might have forgot to mention, as of August 1st, there are magnets available with the characters. There's one set for each of the characters, or you can get one multi-pack where there's one of each character in that. And I believe all of the characters are available as of now. So definitely check that out as well, because these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm taking a sip of coffee. You know, all this funness is thirsty work. Okay, and it is early here. All right. So that, I believe, like I said, is all the information. The only add on thing that I needed to say was about the magnets. And I believe the full set should be available. But again, your best resource is going to be going to shinysilvertreasures.com. And if you have any questions, you can always email Dawn at shinysilvertreasures@gmail.com, or there's a contact option on her store, on her online store at that address, and you can always tag her there as well. Also, just a reminder, she does have a newsletter that goes out periodically. You can sign up for that through her website as well. Um, and again, all the links for Dawn, all of her points, like the store, everywhere that she is up and running online will be listed in the description box, as well as all the gals on the design team. Yeah, we've all been having so much fun with this. Well, we always do, I say this a lot, but yet again, it's still true. So definitely go check out what everybody's been doing, and show them some love and support, because they are really, really freaking talented, and it is so much fun seeing what we do. Because again, we all have the same stuff, but we all come up with completely different things to do with this. So, all right, I'm gonna leave that here because now I'm just gabbing, and I'll get to work. All right, see you guys in the next video.